Hey everyone, welcome everyone back to another video on Mario Editor. Alright, here's another video on the game Mario Editor. If you remember in the last video, I did add a bit of some stuff there. You remember that? Here I'm about to begin. Here's the test video, guys. A test video for you. Right, so let's just add more stuff. You see, it's quite a lot of stuff actually. And every single block here is actually occupied by something, you see. It means something. So if we can actually multiply this by the blocks on the side and the blocks here. We can actually, if we count all the blocks here, every dark square here, all the way to the end, and every dark square from here all the way to the bottom, we can then multiply these numbers and get exactly how many tiles there are. Every block is something of a tile, you know. So yeah, if we just do this and this, we can actually multiply all of them and get, you know what I mean, every single tile block, we can actually multiply this. So yeah, it seems that there'll be quite a lot of, less than 1,000, basically, different block tiles, less than 1,000 in this one. But yeah, as you can see, all of them represent a tile. So yeah, if we just keep building, we can then do this and keep building more up. Let's keep making it up and up that way. Come on guys, let's just build, come on. Here, let's build here, that way, and perhaps maybe shift this to be a bit higher up. And you actually need to get the block itself. Yeah, here, no, modifier, ice flower. Oh yeah, and of course I realized that this will not fit in there because the block's up there. By the way guys, I can hear the music, but you can't hear the music. I mean, I can hear the music. Come on guys, only I'm able to hear the music. Here we have it. Here we have it guys. Here. Okay, alright guys, that's interesting actually. Power up. Let's add some other stuff too. Maybe make a whole cloud face by getting to the next. There you go, you can see how I'm building it up. Come on, no, this is best. There we go. Save. There we go. Now let's add these little tiles perhaps. Let's add this. And let's build them again. You can literally build this entire structure as it is, literally in the level. You can represent this entire thing how it is, literally in the level. We can start up here and then start from the very top, you see, like at the very top, and then we can start, like, how many up there? Is 2 up on the top? Okay, so then it's, oh no. There's 2 up. On the top. Like that. No, no, no. I want to build it the way it is. No, but there's a gap. Alright. Oh, yeah, there's a gap there too. Okay. That's right then. There you go, guys. Look at this. Exactly how it is. There you go. Look at that. I have. Oh no, no. Well, yeah, there you go. Oh no, guys, no. So okay, so I used this one. Oh no, guys. There we go. It's this one. Ooh. Now perhaps I can just do. Oh, it does connect. Okay, so yeah. So is it this one next? It's not this one. Is it this one? It is. Oh, guys, no. Guys. There you go. Look at that. Here, guys, here at the top, we see that it resembles, here goes them back, it resembles the top here, except not in its entirety. You sort of see how it, like, yeah, it actually does sort of resemble in the top in its entirety, except, like, they're squared up. This is not. So yeah, guys, we're still on this level. Let's now build up here. And now let's go ahead and build the bottom. Wait, is it like that? It's not. Okay. Wait, I think there's actually a lot more. If I click here. Well, they can be used as backgrounds, really? Like, hold on a second. If I did. So it could be used as background tiles. I don't know if that's possible, but yeah, it is. Oh yeah, that is there. So that does go there. Okay. Well, yeah, guys, and that's that. And this does. Oh no, that goes there. Guys, the music's literally amazing. I'm literally listening to this one called Factory. It's amazing. But you can't hear the sound, but I can hear the sound. So you cannot hear the music. But if you download the game, and you can download the game by following my video, how to download Mario Editor. I will leave a link to it in the description box below, so you can watch that video on how to download Mario Editor. Download it, follow the video, follow exactly what the steps are, don't mess anything up, follow exactly what the steps are, don't do anything different, and just follow my steps. And it's about a couple of minutes long anyway, so it's not too long. And that's it. You get Mario Editor. You can do whatever you want in that entirely for free. You know, and I even tell you have to extract it. You have to do that, and that is contained in that video. It's literally from how to download the video, going from opening up the internet to literally playing the game. Literally, guys. So yeah, you should get every step if you follow it carefully. No, this one. That's the one. That's the one. See, guys, this is amazing. I'm literally putting up the tiles. Look, it's going to be really interesting how I'm going to do this, but yeah, I guess. I think it's like this. That's how it is. See guys, you see kind of it represents the top. That's the whole purpose of this video, to like, it didn't really have a purpose really at the beginning, but yeah. Let me see if this represents the same one. It does. And there's nothing there, so yeah, you can see that every tile contains a block. Like every white square represents a part or manufactured tiny percentage of a small tile. And we can work out how many there are by multiplying them. No, let's add some clouds. You know, we don't have to do all that crazy, that insaneness. But yeah, we can at least try to zoom in. Let's get a happy cloud again. No, I love this adorable one. It's really adorable, actually. It's cute, actually. I love the orange one. I really do, for some reason. Maybe we can add the checkpoints. Like, you've rewarded your time to the clouds, you did checkpoints. So yeah. And Mario start. I want to see if Mario starts here. Oh. Yeah, guys, if you hold the up button and X, you can actually spin jump. Yeah. But yeah, guys, here I want to show something very cool. So yeah, that at least, well yeah, guys, by the way, I've also changed the settings to make it stormy like that, make it rainy. That's why it's like this. The way you do this, the way to make the rain is you actually have to, guys, listen carefully. To make the rain, go to where it says settings, then go to where it says rainstorm, and that is normally off, but you can turn that on if you want to. Maybe snow can be on as well, if you want to do this and just save it. But yeah, guys, and that's that. So now when you start, it'll be rainy and snowy, right? Or just stormy. Oh yeah, it is snowy as well. It's snowy too, guys. So when you die, look at that. There we are at the top of the level. You see, it works with the checkpoint. Well, that really is a bit semi-solid. It is a semi-solid, but it's not a semi-solid when you're inside it. It's ridiculous. Which is a semi-solid part, really? That's really interesting, actually. It is a mix of both, actually, because if it's the case, that would be really bizarre. It is a mix of both semi-solid and the background, because if it's a background, you cannot touch it, it just stays there. That's what I believe. If it's a background, it just stays there. So it is a mixture of both. You cannot touch it, but then you can walk through it. But you can touch it, but you can go through it at the same time. Like, I can't go inside it now. To go inside it, look, okay. I can't touch this. I go under it. But I can't go through this one. So... okay, never mind. Okay. So yeah. Let's go to editor. Save. Now watch this carefully, guys. Watch carefully now. If I close this, the music is still playing, but you cannot hear anything. Let's go to level. Let's go where it says first level. Look at this. Everything added in there is inside. I just want to make sure that this is the case. So let's just close this. Let's just first of all open up this. Save it. Oh. Oh no, guys. I just happened to make a mistake. Close this. Let me open up again. Let me go to Mario Editor, level, and then I just hope that this now is... Look at this, guys. Perhaps I can make it, like, move this down a bit so you guys can see. Look at this. You cannot see everything exactly, but yeah, neither can I. Like, look at this. This actually extends. Everything added in there, literally, guys. Oh my days. Literally, it still goes forward on. It's literally the edge. It's literally the edge. You see snow. Because I added the snow. You see I get the snow there, guys. You see.